Well, we'll try it one more time. Got out here yesterday, going out to the camp, and had to turn around and come back. Wind was blowing about 15 miles an hour, and it's crashing trees everywhere. You see all that? This is just a big mess. So it's gonna take a couple days to get it cleared up. So I decided I'd come over here and go hunting. Got one of my buildings has collapsed down on the ground in the little village, and I'm gonna have to walk around this one. No way around it. You see, this is all my property, and I got it all posted. Sometimes that don't mean a whole lot. Well, that's one thing about it. I'll have plenty of firewood and building material. Got that one there already cut up. There's a new down one right there. There's two more that's down. Get on through here and get over to the barn and get set up to hunt. Well, she fell. She took it. Oh, geez. Must have been the weight. Broke that one off. That wasn't even a dead pine. Sorry about this. Well, it's rough walking in here. We got put all together, and boy, before I even got over there yesterday and found the damage to the camp, the trees down, my wife called me and said power had gone out. So you know what that means. I had to come back and get the wood stove fired up and get the oh boy, that's bad, and get the Jenny going. So got all that done. So I just don't hunt today. Sorry about all this. Rifle's trying to slide off. Boy, the deer's been all in here. Rabbits too. A lot of this right here is ice. Alright, I'll get back with you when I get over there to the tree stand.